Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with an upgrade to this certification automation for the breeder form, and we have added a new template in it. So now we have one koi certificate for one only, and wholesale for one koi, wholesale for mix, and retail for mix. The wholesale mix and retail mix will be having a square image, whereas on the one koi, one fish image will be as per the scaling of the original image. So let me quickly summarize the operations. So we are pulling the data from two sources. One is the case, the email, and we have another program KSP. And when the data gets updated from the email to KSP to create a Zoho CSV export, at the same time, the data gets updated in the data sheet in here, and we have all the SQs available. Let me see if there is a filter applied. All right. And the second source is the image links, and the image links are also coming in from the COE status program. I think you cannot see this screen. So the image screen, the image screen is coming in from the COE status program, the GD list, which is being pulling the data from the Google Drive shared drive, where the name of the images are SQs, and we are pulling the list of all the images so that we can use those images in the quiz certificate program. So these are the two sources. Then the third thing is the template. The links of the templates are in here. 4 templates will be used. Then there is another control for the folder. We have specified a folder in the Google Drive in which we want to save the PDFs. The certificates, sorry, not the PDF, the image of the certificates. So these are the ingredients. And once we have this, we have automated the part. And the additional changes we have made is variety manual column, a size manual column with associated like the adjacent. There is a variety column which will be pulling the variety from the database, and there will be a variety column which you can always override. So if you will type in anything in here, that this will override the other thing. Similarly for the manual size. So for example, we are now not using the formulas on like the conversion of the centimeter to inches. Okay, so we are converting the number. So this is we are considering as in centimeter, and we are converting the centimeter to inches in this format. But if there is already a text or any other thing like 23-5 or 23-4, whatever, other than the words, if there is any special character in the words, so that will not be converting. So that will highlight the problem. So the main thing here is that we have 2 columns of variety. One is manual and one control. One from database, and similarly for the size, one from this database and one for the manual. So whatever you will type in the size column, it will override the other thing. So you can see this is the cell getting highlighted automatically. So if I will change the SQ, you can see now this has been changed to 21 and the cell got automatically green. So but I'll undo, and you can see it's turning red. It means that this will not be accommodated through the formula of the conversion of centimeter to inches. So you have to do something about it. So this is why it got highlighted. So what you have to do, you just need to copy this and paste it in here. So what it will do, it will ask, okay, you don't need to confirm, just use this text in the certificate. So this is what we are saying about. Similarly for this one, you can always type in anything in here. If you don't like there is a word like this is the, if you are getting the data as a database, a random data or 0, let's consider this one. So you want to enter some, you can check what is the size of the, and you can type in 24 centimeter, random number, 4 inches, and that's it. And this will be used as a size instead of this one. So this is the logic of this. And similarly, let me take you to this one. This one is getting red. Let me change the SQ for this one as well. So if I'll change the SQ, you will see the font will get changed. You can see it turned black, and there is only 3 entries in there. So if I'll turn this undo, you will see the text got red again. Why? Because it's showing you that there is a lengthier text and you have to do something about it. So it's just highlighting, but if still you want to use it, it will be used. But if not, you can always use like you can take anything from in here, paste it in here, and delete the word, and you say, okay, now I don't want the variety for this, I want the variety this on the certificate. So these are the two manual override controls you can call, and you can, this is how you can use the variety and the manual size. uh, I remember that you said something about the item name, but I think you just then ignore that part, and we agreed to this part, that if the variety is acceptable, that is great. If not, that you can type in anything in here, and that will be used instead of this one. Similarly for the size. So whatever is in here, if it is acceptable, that's good. If not, then you can type in here. So what I'll do, let me run this quickly and see, maybe this one. So let's run this. For some reason I cannot see the button, but I know the button is here, so I clicked it. You can always use this manual control. I don't think so you need to use it. We can ignore that. Okay, so there is another update, that once the data gets updated at 8 a.m., when the CSV get loads from the email to this file, the image data is also getting updated automatically, so you don't need to do anything. So once you will reach out in here, okay, you will see the data available. And let me add this part too. This date will get updated as well. So the last update is from 15/6. I think it's almost about to update this one again. And you can always select the year from which you want to see all the SQs. Let me open this. So this is again this one. So it means this will be using this variety. And now I will make the overdrive thing. You can see it has used this variety, and it reduces the size of the font so that it can accommodate within the certificate. So it's very small. Maybe you don't like it. And here it's showing 23 centimeter, 9.06 inches. But if you don't want to show that, you want to show something else. So what I'll do, 44 centimeter, 6 inches, a random number. And you want to type in. मोबाइल दे दो भाई मेरा, हमजा।